Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that using cofactors of the element of the third column, evaluate delta. So basically, delta is equals to the determinant of 1x, yz, 1y, zx, 1z, x, y. We have to use the cofactors of third column to find out delta. So delta is equals to a of this is the third column. We have to use this element. So this is equals to delta is equals to a13 multiplied by the a13 plus a23 multiplied by the a23 plus a33 multiplied by the a33, where this small a13, a23 and a33 considers the element and large considers the cofactor. So the value of a13 is equals to yz, the value of a23 is equals to zx, and the value of a33 is equals to xy. Now we are going to calculate the cofactor. In order to calculate the cofactor, firstly we have to find out the minor. So the minor of a13, basically we have to cancel the row and column. So this is, look here, this is a13. So in order to find out its minor, we have to cancel this row and this column in which this lies, and after that we have to find out the determinant of the remaining element. We have to find out the determinant of the remaining element. So we can say that the minor of a13 is equals to 1y, 1x, 1z. So solving this, 1 multiplied by z is z minus 1 multiplied by the y is y. So this is its minor. In the same way, the minor of a23, cancel the row and column in which 2, 3 lies. So this from here is equals to 1, 1, x and z. So its determinant become equals to 1 multiplied by z is z minus 1 multiplied by x is x. In the same way, the minor of a33, cancelling the row and column in which a33 lies, we are left with 1x, 1 and 1y. So determinant become equals to 1 multiplied by the y is y minus 1 multiplied by the x is x. So this are its minor. Now we have to find out the cofactors. We know that the cofactor of aij is equals to minus 1 raised to the power I plus j multiplied by the minor of ij. So we can say that the cofactor of a13 is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3 multiplied by the z minus y. Minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3 is 4, and minus 1 raised to the power 4 is plus 1, and plus 1 multiplied by the z minus y is equals to z minus y. In the same way, cofactor of a23 is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3 multiplied by the its minor, that is z minus x, minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3, that is minus 1 raised to the power 5, minus 1 raised to the power 5 is minus 1 raised to the power 5 is minus 1, and minus 1 multiplied by the z minus x is equals to minus of z plus x, or we can say that x minus z. In the same way, the cofactor of a33 become equals to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3 multiplied by its minor, that is equals to y minus x. Minus 1 raised to the power 6 is plus 1 multiplied by the y minus x is y minus x. So we are having the value of big a1, a3, a2, a3 and a3, a3. Now plugging the value here. So delta is equals to a13, a of 13 plus a23, a of 23 plus a33, a of 33. Plugging the value here. This from here is equals to yz multiplied by the z minus y plus zx multiplied by the x minus z plus xy multiplied by the y minus x. Now solving this from here is equals to y multiplied by the z square minus y square z plus z multiplied by the x square minus z square x plus x multiplied by the y square minus x square y. So this is what we are having. Now we can write this as yz square minus y square z. So we can write this as yz square minus y square z plus x y square minus z square x plus x y square minus z square x plus z x square minus x square y. Taking yz common from here, so this from here become equals to z minus y plus taking x common from this from here is equals to y square minus z square, and taking taking x square common from here, this become equals to z minus y. So we can write this as z minus y can be written as taking minus common from here. So this become equals to minus of yz multiplied by the y minus z plus x of y square minus z square plus now again taking minus common from here. So this become equals to minus of x square y minus z. Now we can further write this as minus yz multiplied by the y minus z plus x. This is the formula of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a minus b and a plus b. So y square minus z square can be written as y minus z multiplied by the y plus z minus of x square y minus z. We can take y minus z common from all this. So taking y minus z common. So this from here become equals to minus of yz plus xy multiplied by the y plus z plus minus of x square. Now further simplifying this become equals, so now this from here y minus z, so this from here become equals to z, taking z common from this two, that become equals to x minus y, and minus x common from here, that become equals to x minus y. Now taking x minus y common from here, so this become equals to y minus z, x minus y, and z minus x. So this is the answer to this question. So this is the value of the delta, that is equals to y minus z, x minus y, z minus x. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of determinants. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.